What did you eat today? Maybe cereal, fruit, or a sandwich. Food gives your body energy. Animals also need energy to live, grow, and move. But where does that energy begin? In nature, most energy starts with the sun. Today, we're learning about food chains. A food chain shows how energy moves from one living thing to another. The arrows in a food chain show where the energy moves. Energy flows in one direction, and it starts with the sun. Here is our food chain: sun to grass to rabbit to fox. First, the sun gives off light energy. Next comes the grass. Grass is called a producer. A producer is a living thing that makes its own food using sunlight. Plants use sunlight, water, and air to make sugar for energy. This process is called photosynthesis. Plants do not eat dirt. They get nutrients from soil, but they make their food from sunlight. Now the rabbit enters the chain. The rabbit eats the grass, so the rabbit gets energy from the grass. A rabbit is a consumer because it cannot make its own food. It must eat other living things. Since rabbits eat plants, they are herbivores. The rabbit is also called a primary consumer because it eats the producer. Next comes the fox. The fox eats the rabbit and gets energy that originally came from the sun. A fox is a carnivore because it eats animals. It is also a secondary consumer because it eats the primary consumer. Finally, decomposers break down dead plants and animals. Mushrooms and bacteria are decomposers. They return nutrients to the soil so new plants can grow. Remember the big idea: energy flows one way: sun to grass to rabbit to fox.